think we actually don't need this connection.
Yeah, we can see you now.
Okay, we'll get started in a minute or two. Sarah, are you coming back or are you? Yeah, well, I can do most of it, but we would do this together. So welcome everyone. We're really happy to have this in person again. As you know, conferences during the pandemic were not the most exciting thing to attend in terms of engagement. So I think this is really great to see so many people here, and I'm sure there'll be a bunch of people online as well. So for those of you who don't know a bit of history, MLCB originally was a NeurIPS workshop for many years. Actually, one of the first conferences I went to was NeurIPS with a MLCB back in, I want to say 2007, which makes me feel a little bit old, but that's okay. And it's always been a really great venue for people who work on machine learning, but are interested in applications to computational biology. I think it made a lot of sense back in the day having it as a NeurIPS workshop, but now, you know, NeurIPS has gone and the other machine learning conferences have gone so huge. I think it's really great that we have a venue for people who are more focused on questions in biology. And so, yeah, really excited to see how this goes forward. And we also, as I think you will know, have this set up with the proceedings of machine learning research. So some proportion of the most highly peer-reviewed papers get officially published. So that's something for those of you who don't come from a sort of traditional machine learning community, that was always this kind of gray area of are workshop papers real papers or not. So hopefully that kind of clarifies that angle on things. So we have a really fantastic lineup of speakers over the next 2 days, both invited and contributed. There's also going to be a poster session. We also are trying to support a hybrid option as much as possible. So some of the posters have 1-minute videos, which are on a playlist on the MLCB YouTube channel. So I encourage you to check those out. We're also going to try and have them playing somewhere during the poster session. Not sure we've entirely figured out the details on that, but TBD.
We couldn't figure it out.
Okay, well, we can have them playing on a laptop at least, I think, probably. So yeah, and a big thanks, I guess, to Sarah for organizing everything here. All seems very smooth so far, and to the other co-organizers. For speakers, we're going to give you the option of either presenting off your laptop or uploading to, so you should have got an email this morning if you want to upload and present off a shared laptop. Otherwise, you need to be on, if you're on your own laptop, you need to be on the correct Zoom link. Other things I should be saying? Yeah.
I'll make 2 announcements. So one is for lunch. So a number of you have signed up for lunch. You have a star on your tag if you did that. If you didn't order, don't worry. You ordered 20 extra portions. I knew this would happen. So just wait. If you haven't ordered and you don't have a star, just wait until everybody that has a star gets their lunch, and then there should be extra for everybody else. And then the other announcement is for poster session. So it's going to be in the Allen Atrium, which is the building across from us, in the lobby, basically. So around 4 o'clock, when the talks are done here, we can all walk over there and people with posters can get set up.
And I guess social media stuff. So if you can, feel free to tweet, or what do we do on Blue Sky? Post, I guess. So the hashtag we're using is hashtag MLCB 2023. There is also a YouTube live stream that Anshul has tweeted and is on the website now. So please feel free to share that. It would be great to have more people able to watch from home or work. I guess it's a Thursday. Yeah, I think that's it.
And speaker Zoom links. So if you're a speaker, you can use your own computer, or you can send us your slides and we'll use the computer here. Either way is fine. But if you're using your own computer, you should have received a Zoom link. Everybody that's speaker hopefully received that Zoom link as a panelist, and you have to log into that Zoom so that you can share your screen once you get up here, and then we'll tell you which videos and audios to select so that people can see you through the cameras in their room. And I think that's
I think then we're just waiting on the first speaker, right?
Oh, yes, it's
great. I know, perfect, great.
So I'll
Yeah.
talk to
Yeah.
and
Yes, I'll do introductions meanwhile. So we have Alex Rivas as our first speaker. So Alex has been really a pioneer in this emerging field of using large language models in the biological space, especially for proteins. So he has a pretty interesting background, did his undergraduate degree at Yale in biology and philosophy, and then founded a bunch of companies, multiple of which are publicly traded in the therapeutic development space. And then he's been doing did his PhD with Rob Fergus between NYU and what was FAIR, so Facebook AI Research, and is now, of course, Meta. And the ESM model he developed is one of the sort of state-of-the-art protein language models. And he did some really great work trying to understand the emergent properties of scaling the models and the training data set size. And most recently worked on adapting that to being able to predict protein structure faster than AlphaFold, and which has enabled predicting protein structures for an enormous number of proteins found in the metagenomic space. So most recently, he founded a company, Evolutionary Scale, which is exploring further scaling those AI models for biology, for therapeutic applications, amongst others. And he'll be starting as faculty at MIT and the Broad in 2024. So really excited to hear about what you've been up to. We'll see how the setup goes. You're gonna do your own laptop, yeah.
We were having a little bit.
Yeah, I know the feeling. I can get my laptop to connect to the Wi-Fi even. So doing better than me.
Got
already,
that far. Let's
yeah.
see. So let's see. Well, this one is
We're finding the microphone. That's the only microphone, so if you try and say somewhat. Actually, I mean, if you want to use one of the handheld microphones.
Can you guys say something just so I can make sure the audio is okay?
Can you hear us now?
let's see. I think I still need to connect the
And so where you go to that and
okay, start the video or
no, sorry. If you go to the options,
Yeah.
USB video,
okay.
and then from mic, you have to select options too. The first one is USB audio, and
Okay,
then yeah,
this one?
that one, and then yeah,